How to use recurring billing in Virtual Terminal. To begin, make sure the virtual terminal has its own VAR sheet. This is necessary for the module to appear in the sidebar. Once the merchant has access, click on Virtual Terminal from the menu on the left. At the top, you'll see a second tab, labeled Recurring Billing. Here you'll find two options, Subscription and Installment. Both allow you to set the billing frequency, a charge date, and a start date. For subscriptions, you can set an expiration date or let it run indefinitely. Installment plans, on the other hand, let you set the number of payments and even include a balloon payment if needed. As you scroll down, you'll enter billing details like the dollar amount, the customer's name from the list, and their phone number and email for sending receipts. You can also add an invoice number which is compatible with QuickBooks, and a short description of the transaction. You'll then see fields for the customer's billing and shipping addresses. If the customer is already saved in the vault, their information will populate automatically when selected. After choosing the card on file, the address will autofill based on that selection. You can now enter the billing amount, add a description, and go ahead and process the transaction. Once the payment is approved, you'll see confirmation details, including the next scheduled payment date. At this point, you can either print the receipt or just click OK. To manage recurring billing profiles, go to the top right corner of the virtual terminal and select the Manage tab. Under the Recurring Billing section, you'll be able to view all customers with active billing schedules. This section shows the number of payments made, total value processed, the current status, and the requested amount for each payment. You'll also see details like the last transaction date, the upcoming payment date, and the start date of the agreement. You'll notice a column showing the card status, which reflects whether the card has been updated using Valor's built-in token updater. This helps ensure transactions continue to go through smoothly. To the far right, you have actions available for each billing profile. You can view an overview, edit payment details, check transaction history, deactivate or delete a billing plan, skip the next payment, postpone it, or view the audit log to track who made recent changes. Inside the overview, you'll find the last transaction date, the card on file, and the ability to edit the payment. At the top, you'll see the payment ID and total amount. Further down, there's a summary showing the amount minus any custom fees and how many payments were required. You can also see how many payments have been made, failed, skipped, postponed, or resumed. And finally, you'll see the start date, end date, and the customer's contact and address details.